Soil resources. Soil is basically a mixture of weathered rocks, mineral nutrients, decaying organic matter, water, air, and variety of organisms. Soil is considered to be a perfect ecosystem. Plants use soil as an ecosystem and not as material. Soil is a key component of biodiversity of a region, next only to climate. Plants get their nutrients from soil. We must understand that soil is an essential resource for entire vegetal world on the land. The soil forming processes are quite low, and hence the soil becomes a non-renewable resource. It is not a material that can be produced artificially in laboratories. Being a prime resource and the base of the life on land, it is necessary that soils are properly managed against the loss of this resource through erosion or its degradation due to improper and excessive use. Let us check out the different types of soil. Soil erosion and conservation. Soil formation is a natural process operating at a very slow pace. It takes very long, at times 100 to 1000 years, to develop few centimeters thick soil. This period depends on the rate of number of factors and varies from region to region. Soil erosion is a partial or total removal of top layer of soil from the land. It is the top layer of the soil that contains the organic material and nutrients and promotes the growth of vegetation. Its removal renders the soil unproductive. Soil erosion is a natural process and hence cannot be completely stopped. At the best, one can think of reducing the rates of erosion. Conservation measures are aimed at reducing the soil erosion rate. In Maharashtra, though the problem of soil erosion is felt almost in all the parts, it is quite severe in certain areas. In the Western Ghat region, with heavy rainfall and steep slopes, the offshoots from the Ghats extending in both directions, and the floodplain areas of Tapi with recent alluvium are some of the areas where this problem is quite serious. Deforestation, overgrazing, ploughing in the direction of slope are some of the factors that aggravate the problem of soil erosion. Conservation efforts include afforestation of barren land, plugging of gullies, covering the sloping land with continuous contour trenches, diverting the overflows, and reducing the velocity of running water. Soil conservation measures are being undertaken by government departments as well as a number of non-government organizations or NGOs under watershed development programs in different parts of the state. Soil degradation. Decline in fertility status of a soil is termed as soil degradation. This is an effect of excessive utilization of soils, over-irrigation, excessive use of chemical fertilizers, etc. The rotating crops, keeping the land fallow for some period of time, use of organic manures are some of the measures suggested to counter the problem of soil degradation. In Maharashtra, the problem of soil degradation is serious in the areas of irrigated farming. Due to over-irrigation, salts in the soil situated at deeper depths get moved to the top layers, and at times salt comes right to the surface.